Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm so excited for you to be here today. I'm going to be doing some extreme, super satisfying deep cleaning. So this is the second time I'm editing this video, you guys. I love you guys so much that I wanted to make sure that I got content out for you today. So I know today's video is going to give you tons of cleaning motivation and also some satisfaction when you guys see what I do in this video.
I hope you look my way, but yeah, she didn't even see me gaze.
So the first thing I'm doing here is I'm just going to go ahead and start cleaning the whole upstairs. I want to make sure that there is nothing on the ground and that I vacuum the carpet because we are going to be shampooing these carpets today. I did buy myself a carpet shampooer. So what we're doing here is we're going to go ahead and clean the upstairs. We're going to put everything away because I'm going to be shampooing the carpets. I'm so excited. I invested in a carpet shampooer because our house desperately needed the carpets clean. I am so excited for my video coming up next. The video after this one is going to be my kitchen makeover. We did some changes in my kitchen that I am so excited for you guys to see. It will be a clean and decorate video, kitchen makeover. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you have your notifications turned on all so you will be notified when I have that video out for you guys. It will be in just a few days, but I'm so excited to share it with you.
Yeah, she didn't even see me gaze today. 'Cause I know I am nobody to you, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it down. 'Cause what I really need is your time, so will you like me like that? Just like that. Like me like that. Just like
I do want to tell you guys thank you so much for answering those fun questions in my last video. I always like to get to know you guys a little bit more, and it was super fun utilizing that poll option on the video. So I just want to say thank you to all that took the time and answered the questions. So right here, I'm just using my Thieves cleaner to go ahead and clean my glass mirror. The nice thing about Thieves cleaner is you can use it on almost everything. It is a clean all type of product, all-purpose product. If you are looking for a chemical-free option, this one's a great one. It smells amazing. I'm going to go ahead and add some essential oils to my diffuser and get that going to purify the air. I'm going to be using the Purification by Young Living. I love this stuff. It really conquers or attacks any types of odors in your house if you have them from like cooking bacon or animals or anything like that you might have some smells. It will get rid of that smell, and that is why I love this oil. So since we're going to be shampooing the carpets, one of the things that I knew I needed to do was vacuum all of the carpets so we can get up any dirt, debris, dog hair, any of that stuff. We want to make sure it's all up. All right, you guys, so I'm going to go around and show you some of the stains that we are going to focus on and put like some prep solution on. So I'm going to go ahead and put some there. And then as you can see, we have like little stains here. I don't know if you guys can see those, but we definitely have a lot of stains. There's makeup. This is makeup stain from like my powder and just doing my makeup. So I definitely need to get that out. Like you can vacuum over it a million times, it doesn't come up. And then we have some over here, which are probably from like drinks, some snacks, something. Out here in the hallway, we have this, which I pray that comes up. I don't know if it's marker or permanent pen or marker. I don't know what it is. Ava was doing arts and crafts here on the floor, and I seen it. I'm like, oh no, you gotta work at your table. And then we just have like some little things there. And we got the Pro Heat 2x Revolution Bissell. This is for pets. It's good for pets. And it has like an antibacterial formula that comes with it. It has a couple of things that comes with it. So I'm super excited about this. I did a lot of research, of course, and we're gonna give this a try. So it says it dries, the Pro Dry dries in about 30 minutes. Max Clean mode removes stains, dirt, and allergens, and then lightweight and maneuverable. So we will see. I will let you guys know how I feel about it. I did purchase this with my own money. This isn't sponsored or anything. We just needed to invest in a shampooer, just so we can kind of shampoo our carpets when we want without the big old hassle of hiring someone. And I heard great things about this one. So
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm.
if you guys are enjoying this video, getting motivation from it, I would really appreciate it if you would share it with friends and family, and also give me a thumbs up. That always helps out my channel. I appreciate it so much, you guys. So what I'm doing here is pre-treating the stains with the same product that I'm cleaning the carpets with. So I went ahead and just poured it in this spray bottle that I already had, and I'm just going ahead and spraying all of the stains throughout the upstairs.
Set me free. You make me win every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah.
So another thing I want to say about this carpet cleaner is it was super easy to maneuver. It wasn't heavy. I was able to go ahead and shampoo the carpets just fine without it being like super bulky or heavy or anything like that.
Or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in my palm.
Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so nasty. Look at that water. It's like black. That's so gross. Wow. And then there's the water we filled it up with, and that's from the carpet. Insane.
A statement explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. You make me win every way. You show me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win every way. You show me how to spread my wings.
Okay, so I'm done with my bedroom. I'm so excited about it, you guys. I picked up so much. Here is all of that from our bedroom and hallway. It's amazing. It got a lot of the stains up that I had. I don't know if you remember seeing some of the stains. These are just fuzzies, but we had stains over here. We had stains over by my husband's area. And somewhere around here. And then this stain, this whole area came up, just like build up. It's really build up. I left that because I just wanted to see the difference, but I'll have to go over that. That's just the rest of my makeup. And then everything is up from here pretty much, so yay! Ava was giving you guys a little dance show here. She loves dancing. And she loves just saying like, Mom, record me. So she is still in her pajamas today. It was a cleaning day. I had stuff to do. Obviously I had a big project like shampooing our carpets. So we were in loungewear all day. That's just how it is sometimes.
You saved me from the broken house that I built. You took me in with open arms and I still want you back, want you back. Some say that love don't hurt, but I've got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to be in love at 20 years old. We kiss in the rain till we can't.
If you're new to my channel and you're enjoying this video, I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I like to post cleaning motivation to help motivate you guys to get your stuff done and kind of help inspire you to attack that to-do list. And I also like to share a lot of decluttering and home decor on this channel. If you're into that, I would love for you to be a part of our family.
Every wall is getting close, and I don't know what to do. God, you save my soul. God, you save my soul. God, you mend my heart. God, you mend my heart. I want you back, want you back. Yeah. I want you back, want you back.
So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some cleaning motivation. Let me know in the comments that you were here. Say hi and let me know if you were cleaning with me today. If you have any questions about this carpet shampooer, go ahead and just ask me down in the comments and I will make sure I address that. I always try and do the best at answering all of my comments so I can chit chat with you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing week. I love and appreciate you guys, and make sure you stay tuned for my kitchen makeover video. Bye, you guys.
This is the call that you've been waiting for. This is the call that you've been. This is the call that you've been waiting for. This is the call that you've been. One, two, three. Some say that love don't hurt, but I've got you stuck in my